What is your take concerning a man that abandoned his children for the ex-wife? What do you think concerning it? This is another episode that is coming from the Justice Court. A man abandoned his 3 children for his ex-wife, all because him and the wife are having a misunderstanding. They've not been together. They separated for quite some time now. So he have to abandon the children for the man. He have not been paying school fees. He have not been paying for health care. He have not been paying for upkeep. Like nothing has been done. But he also explained to Judge Fumi that he have been having challenges concerning his business. The business have not been moving well. This he have been explaining. But come to think of it, do you say your business is not moving well? Because of that, you have to abandon your children. If the woman does not have anything that is giving her money, how do you want those kids to live? Like, how do you want those children to live? That is the case in Justice Court today. Guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will be able to push my video to the next person that would love to watch.
Okay. And what's your claim? What do you want the court to do for you?
My claims are for cheating, negligence of his responsibility, and he's always attacking me, threatening me.
Are you living together?
We're not living together.
When did you stop living together?
A year and 10 months now.
How many children do you have between you?
3, a boy and 2
Where are the
girls.
children?
They are the east with me. They are with me.
You're in the east. Mr. Churchman, what is the problem you have with her? The 2 of you are not living together.
Yes.
And when she's claiming due to
Negligence of responsibility, cheating and deceit.
there's nothing here to prove cheating to me. Do you understand? And I've looked at everything. The only thing, if there's domestic violence, sure, I can caution you that it's not the right thing to do. Do you understand?
I do. Yeah.
But we're talking about the welfare of the children of the marriage right now. And I noticed that you are claiming, do you give upkeep? Do you pay children's school fees?
No. Okay. I've not been able to do that. Why? Because my business was affected, and I was told that.
When was your business affected?
I run a pottery business.
When was it affected?
Since 2022.
That was after you
No,
separated?
2021.
After you separated?
Yes.
All right. You know, no matter how tough it is, you have to understand the children, they have to eat.
I do.
They have to go to school.
I do.
And if there's medical bill to pick, those are for you. For the accommodation, she's going to take care of the rent or wherever they stay. Even though the law says you have to. But do you understand? She's going to do that. And I'm sure she should be able to handle clothing as well. So, have you ever, since you separated, have you ever paid the school fees?
No, I've not.
You haven't. So it's about time you start paying now, you know. Right? How much do you pay for school fees? Their school fees?
For the 3 of them, 100 plus, 120.
That's 40,000 per child.
Yes, ma'am. The boy is 40,000, while the girls are 80.
Okay, there are 2 of them.
2 girls and a boy.
So that's 40,000 naira per child.
Yes.
That's what I said. That's 120. Where is the school?
The school is at the east.
You said your business is affected for now.
Yes, ma'am. And I'm in debt, ma'am.
Well, if you're indebted towards your children, it's a good thing.
And also,
Do you understand?
I do.
Towards paying to pay for your children, because that's your children's future. So you should think about the children as well.
I do.
Do you understand? So that's by the side. Now, you were going to say something.
Yes. When the whole incident
I'm
happened.
not interested in this incident. It's the children that we're talking
Okay,
about.
the children.
The
I
two
was
of you,
told.
or
the
are you
children-
living together?
No, we are not.
Do you want to make up with her?
No.
So, past is past. You are both adults. You came together, you are no longer together. If the 2 of you showed any interest of being together, I recommend a professional marriage counselor to you to assist you. Do you understand?
I do.
But as long as we're not going there, then we just discuss. The only thing between you right now is the children.
Okay.
Is that not so?
Exactly, ma'am.
So let's discuss the children's welfare. That's why you are both here. The story of whatever has happened, I've pushed it aside. I would have listened to it if you are thinking about reconciliation. So that we see, do you understand, be able to give advice and everything that, oh, what you did was not right. You shouldn't have done it that way. You should have been more patient. You know, those kind of things. You've heard that The school fees is 120,000 naira.
But I don't have proof whether it is or not.
Exactly. I agree with you, but that's not difficult. You know why?
No.
She will just give you the name of the school. You don't have to rely on whatever she says. And when you want to pay, you pay to the school direct. It's not as if you're going to give her to pay.
Okay.
Do you understand what that? So you go to the school, but you said in the east.
Yes.
Do you have anybody where in the east?
Imo State.
Where in Imo State? You have to give him the address. What?
Oguta.
The name of the school.
The name of the school.
You're just saying Lagos State. Do you know how many schools they like saying Lagos? There are so many schools in Lagos.
I said Imo State.
There are so many schools in Imo State. That's what I'm saying. You have to mention the specific school. Tell him.
Okay.
Are you familiar with that place?
No, he has not been there. He doesn't even know the children's school. The very first time.
Does he know that town?
No.
I've never been there.
So it's going to be difficult. Do you understand? You can't just bring any bill for him to pay just like that. He must have opportunity to cross-check.
Yes, the dad has asked him to come to the school.
Who?
My husband's dad has asked him to come and visit so that he can know where we are staying. He said he's not going to come. And he has asked me.
Where you are staying where? In Lagos?
No, east.
You came in from the east?
I came in from the east yesterday.
Oh, you came in from the
yes.
east? Where did you meet?
We met in Lagos. We got
married. But you relocated back to the east?
Because of the violence.
Okay. Now I understand. So, if you cannot go, you are from the east as well?
No, I'm from Kaduna State.
You are from Kaduna State? You have to look for a way to reach out. Maybe the school, you can Google. One, you can Google, you get the phone number. That's one. Two, you can take the phone number from her and compare the one you see online.
Even if asked that, but it was not forthcoming.
So you did not.
I've given it twice.
Let me just tell you one thing. He's not going to pay. I'm not going to ask him to pay until he has access to the school. He has to confirm that those children are actually in that school. He has to confirm the school fees.
Yes,
do you understand? And he's going to be dealing with the school directly when he wants to pay. He's not going to give you money for that. Do you understand?
Yes,
so the earlier you cooperate with him on this, I think the better. So that you can reach out to the school, get your information intact. Do you understand me? And work on that. And are they in boarding house?
They're not in boarding house.
Where are they living?
They're living with me.
With you?
Yes.
In the east? Yes. Okay. So you're taking care of accommodation, you're taking care of clothing already.
Yes.
You take care of school fees and medical. Okay?
Okay.
Then children have to eat. Look, things are very expensive now.
I know.
Even if I say you should give her 60,000 naira.
What
we're talking about 3 children. That's 20,000 per month per child. It will not be enough. She will still have to subsidize. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I do.
But because I know the way it is, you are going to pay school, you are paying medical. Let me know how much you want to be giving on a monthly basis for the 3 children as upkeep.
Ma, can I ask for a favor?
Yeah, sure.
If I was suggesting, we agreed December that one of the child should come because if it's burdensome for her.
It's not about, it depends on the age. What's the age of the children?
My son is 11.
6 years.
They are all underage. Do you understand? At that age, they will give the woman. But you have right of access. Holiday period, you share it equally. So between the two of you, because you both have to learn to be able to co-parent. Do you understand? For the children's welfare now. How much are you proposing before I give mine? Because I must round it up within the next 2 minutes. Let me know how much that will take this out of the way.
Considering my salary, I think I can divide my salary into 2.
How much is your salary?
50,000.
So you want to give 25,000 naira?
Yes.
50,000. Then you talk about proof now. Prove to me that you're earning 50,000 naira. The same way you said she should prove the school fees.
I can bring the statement of my account.
You bring it on Monday.
I can bring that.
Okay. For now, you are going to be giving her 25,000 naira on monthly basis. You are splitting your salary into 2, as you said. Find out about the school fees and everything. Then think about how you can provide hospital, if you can, for them to go. I usually work around your payment like school fees directly to the hospital. Do you understand? Ask around if you know anybody down there that can recommend the hospital of your choice so that you can give that to her. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
I think that will be burdensome for me.
So anytime there's an issue, she can reach out to you.
I think that will be
perfect.
Guys, what do you think concerning this episode? Because no matter what the circumstances may be, I do not encourage somebody to abandon his children for the wife. Like, you are making those children feel that you are not competent enough. To me, You are making those children feel that you are not competent enough, you are not worthy to become a father, you don't take responsibility. No matter what, I have said it countless times, that no matter what you think you are going through, do not ever abandon your children for the woman. Because why? Those children are going to grow up. They will believe whatsoever the woman said to them. They will believe whatsoever advice the woman gives to them. They will not be seeing you as inferior, like you are not capable enough, you can't handle responsibility, you run away from your responsibility. This is how they will be seeing you as. Where you see a lot of teenagers or adults today, they push all the love, they push everything to their mother, because they feel that, oh, their mother is the one that has been taking care of them. Take care of your kids.